Good day, everybody. It's a time for a new video. So in this video, I had a breakdown last weekend with my pickup. I went down to the South Shore. I had some birthday parties to go to and supper with my brother and sisters. And when I went down, my back brakes stopped working. Well, my pads were completely finished, so I had to go buy some new pads. First off, didn't get the good pads, so I had to return those pads, go get new brake pads, and reached out to one of my friends who has a garage at his house with all the tools that I needed to change my brake pads. I knew that my brakes were due. I was hoping that they were going to last the summer, but the pads were finished. I also need to change the discs, but this time I did not change the discs. Didn't have really the time. I was on a tight schedule, so went to my friend's house. Whoa, that was bright. Went to my friend's house and changed my brake pads. Took a little longer than anticipated. Like I said, didn't have the right brake pads, and then after that the bolts were kind of jammed, so I had to get them out, clean them off, and grease them and put them back in. So a little complications. So I filmed that and trying still to finish off half of my bedroom. So changed the heater in the bedroom. Also putting new moldings on, so that's what we're going to be seeing in this video. Please leave some comments of what you think of my videos. Your comments will help me to modify and make the videos better to watch. Would like to know what you guys like to see or don't like to see. Do you want the music when I put my videos going fast, or you like better hearing me do descriptions? So let me know. Good day, everybody. You'll probably notice that I'm not at Boom Puss Homestead. I was gone this weekend to help my wife pack, and we also had a 40th birthday party to go to. And while I was driving, my brakes kind of failed in the back of my pickup. I think that it's probably because the pads are finished and due. So right now what I'm going to be doing is that I went to one of my friends that lives not far from my wife, and I'm going to change the back pads on it. So here we go. Hoping that is the problem. I do know that I had to redo my brakes completely on all four wheels. Just not ready to do it now. So I bought some cheap pads just to fix the problem that I have right now. So later on, probably at the end of the summer, I'm redoing the complete brakes on all four wheels, so changing the disc, the pads. We're going to see the calipers, what they look like, maybe change the calipers also. Not sure about that yet. So just gonna show what I'm gonna be doing today real fast. So this wall has been painted and plastered multiple times. I just took off the paper here, and so this is just the paper. The gyprock goes here. So technically it's supposed to be, I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of hard because there's no light here, but there you go. So you see the paper there. There, you can see the paper. So that's how thin it is. The rest is paint and plaster. It's like a quarter of an inch. That's incredible. Wow. Hey, you're not seeing what I'm doing, eh? So I made the boo-boo. I forgot to put this. Wire goes in there. Restart. So I just did a trip, one load of wood crust. One of my neighbors has a sawmill, and he gives me his wood crust. So managed to get all this in in one trip. I still have another trip to do, but I'm not going to do it today. I can see that the black flies have started, so it's black fly season that just started. So as you can see, there's lots around me. I didn't put my my hat on. I have a net hat that I put on usually, but this is just new that they started. The more you sweat, the more that you attract them, and they go in your eyes, your ears, your mouth. So I'm going to be using some of this. Some of these here, I separated them from the rest. I'm going to be building a woodshed, and going to be using those pieces of wood for walls, and the rest, like the pieces like this, I cut them and I keep them. Where'd it go? There we go. So pieces like this, I cut them, let them dry out, and I use them during the winter in the house to start my fires. The fires start very easy with that. So, and like I said, the rest I'm going to cut it all up and use it for firewood outside. So there we go for today. So beautiful sunny day today. A little chilly, but it's 6 degrees Celsius at the moment. But beautiful blue skies today, very sunny. Love it. Nice hot time is going to be coming soon. Can't wait. But it's also black fly season, so the black flies have started coming out. So I'm going to be getting my my black fly hat out soon to not get those black flies within my eyes, nose, mouth, and ears, and also trying not to get bitten because it really itches when you get bitten by a black fly. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. It's greatly appreciated. Please, again, like and subscribe. Very much appreciated. And leave some comments on my videos. Thank you for watching. This is Boompah's Homestead.